Welcome back, friends! Today, we're counting down my top 5 Halloween snacks, claymation style, just for you. Get ready for treats that are spooky, fun, and surprisingly easy to make at home. From savory mummies to sweet ghosts, there's something for every ghoul at your party. Cauldrons bubbling, spooky spirit ready? Let's get started now! First up, mummy hot dogs. These spooky snacks are a Halloween classic, and they're as fun to make as they are to eat. Whether you're hosting a party or just looking for a festive treat, these little mummies are sure to steal the show. Start by grabbing your favorite hot dogs and a tube of crescent roll dough. You can use any kind of hot dog, beef, turkey, or even veggie, for this recipe, so everyone can join in the fun. Press the dough into a rectangle, then carefully slice it into thin strips. Now, wrap each hot dog with the dough strips, crisscrossing them to look like mummy bandages. Be sure to leave a little space at the top for the face. Place your wrapped hot dogs on a baking sheet and bake until the dough turns golden brown and delicious. Once they're out of the oven, add candy eyes using a dab of mustard or ketchup to bring your mummies to life. The result? Adorable, slightly creepy, and totally irresistible mummy hot dogs that are perfect for any Halloween spread. These treats are a hit with both kids and adults, making them a must-have for your spooky celebration. They're simple to make, super fun, and absolutely delicious. With their big candy eyes and playful look, these mummy hot dogs are almost too cute to eat. Almost. Give them a try and watch them disappear. Next up, we're making Monster Rice Krispie Treats, an absolute must for any Halloween party or spooky movie night. These treats are not only delicious, but they're also a blast to make and decorate. Start by whipping up a classic batch of Rice Krispie Treats. Once your marshmallow mixture is ready, divide it into separate bowls and add vibrant food coloring. Think ghoulish green, pumpkin orange, and eerie purple for that monster vibe. Stir in the cereal, then press each colorful mixture into a pan. Use cookie cutters or your hands to shape them into all sorts of monsters, big, small, round, or spiky. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Use candy eyes, icing mouths, and get creative with expressions. Give your monsters one eye, 3 eyes, silly grins, or even spooky frowns. Sprinkle on some edible glitter, add candy horns, or use colorful sprinkles to give each monster its own unique personality and flair. This is a fantastic activity for kids and families. Everyone can join in and let their imaginations run wild while making these tasty monsters. Best of all, these treats are no-bake, super easy, and monstrously delicious. Perfect for parties or a fun afternoon snack. So gather your ingredients and meet your new monster squad, each one as unique and tasty as the next. Time for Witch's Broomstick Snacks. All you need, pretzel sticks, string cheese, and chives. Cut string cheese, fray one end for bristles, poke a hole, and insert a pretzel stick. Tie a chive around the top for that authentic broom look. Simple, savory, and perfect for your Halloween spread. They'll fly off the plate. Ready for a gruesome classic that's sure to thrill your guests? Let's make bloody eyeball deviled eggs, perfect for any spooky celebration or Halloween party. Start by hard-boiling your eggs until they're perfectly cooked, then carefully slice them in half lengthwise. Gently scoop out the yolks and set the whites aside. In a bowl, mash the yolks with creamy mayonnaise, tangy mustard, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Mix until smooth and velvety, then pipe or spoon the filling back into the egg whites, creating a little mound in each. For the creepy eyeball effect, top each filled egg with a slice of black olive right in the center to form the pupil. Now, grab some red food coloring and a fine-tipped brush. Carefully paint thin, squiggly lines radiating from the olive to the edges of the egg white, mimicking bloodshot veins. The messier and more uneven, the creepier your eyeballs will look. Arrange your finished eggs on a spooky platter. They look so realistic, Your guests might do a double take before tasting these deliciously devilish treats. These bloody eyeball deviled eggs are a mad scientist party must-have. Creepy, creative, and absolutely irresistible. Last up, ghostly banana pops. Peel and have bananas, insert popsicle sticks. Dip in melted white chocolate, lay on parchment. Add mini chocolate chips for eyes and a mouth. Freeze until firm for a chilly, spooky treat. Healthier than candy, but just as fun. Perfect for parties or a Halloween night snack. Beautiful and delicious. That's 5 spooktacular snacks, all brought to life in claymation. Try them out, share your creations, and let me know your favorites in the comments. Have a safe, fun, and treat-filled Halloween. See you next time. Happy haunting! Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.